Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today we have Vienna's BarkBox. Do you want to know what she got in her box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so Vienna's BarkBox just arrived. So of course she's super happy when this day happens, huh? You got your box today, and Daddy even told you had a box today when it came to the office and got you all excited way earlier than she should have. So coming home, she knew, bitch, you got my box. Aw. Let's go ahead and see what is in her box this time. Let me get her positioned in front of me. Sit down, good girl. Okay, so let's see what is in January's theme. This is January 2021. This is your first box for the new year. So let's see what's inside. When you first open it up, it says, sit, stay, spa day. You're gonna have a spa day. Okay, so when you open it up, sit, stay, spa day. Who's a good dog? You are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You're such a good dog. That's what it says. I'm just reading it. I'm not saying you are, but you are a good girl. So this says you don't need to catch the car. You don't need to catch your tail. You need to catch your breath. And this is what it looks like down inside. So let's see what toys she's going to be playing with. She's already trying to take one out. So this is the first one, and it says Swedish massage, like a moose, but he's getting a massage, so it's a massage. Oh my gosh, these are just so cute. So here's the little moose, and it looks like he's sleeping, and then there's like this wraparound. Does it come apart? It does. There's a wraparound towel. It says grade A on the back, and then there's like this little, oops, I got a little fuzzies from the towel landed on you, I'm sorry. And then here is the little towel that just wraps around and just Velcros right there, and the little tail sticks out. And yeah, so here is the massage? Let me give this one to her. So there you go. You want to play with that? Is that your new toy? Is that your new toy? Okay, so the next one in here says mutt mask. Oh, so is it gonna be like a face mask? It says the wet dog mud mask. How cute. Let me remove these so we can see it opened. You keep playing with your moose. You keep playing with your moose, yes. Hold on. Okay, you guys, so here is the mud mask. It kind of looks like there's like a face in there, but that kind of reminds me of a mushroom. So I don't know why their mask is all fuzzy like that, but it's still cute. It's their toy. So this is what it looks like, and it'll, I guess, close like there. There's a squeaky in there, and then it'll just pop up, and she can play with that whole thing. Is there a squeaky in this one? Yes, in the head there is a squeaky in this. Now she's like, wait, now which one do you want? Which one do you want? Hi. Okay, so she's gonna choose that one for right now anyway. We'll see what she plays with in a minute. Sit on your butt. Thank you. So the treats that she got for this month is going to be beef crunchies, 100% beef. They're air dried and made in Canada. Huh, I don't know if she's ever had air dried, but you can kind of see some in there, and I can feel it's way lighter than normal. So here's some air dried beef. Now we have this Moo Moo jerky bars, beef recipe, chewy jerky, no grains added, busting with USA beef. So these are like bigger chunks. They're about, let's see, they're that size right there. She's like, give me that. And then this one is pork and liver crunchy. So this is another freeze dried, 100% pork liver made in Canada, freeze dried, natural nutrition and natural taste. So let me show you, I guess, what these look like. Hold on, I'll give you one too. Yeah, oh, these are yours. Ooh, they don't smell very pleasant. So that's what they look like on the inside. There's like one of them right there. So you see like little crispy, airy holes here. She keeps putting it in her mouth and spitting it out. Okay, now, oh, now she's eating it. She's probably just like, what in the world is this thing? So there's the 3 different treats for this particular month. And then for all of the different toys, oh my gosh, how cute. Oh, look, there's like a little makeup that looks like that would be like a nail polish. That's so cute. Yes, it's a nail polish. There's a squeaky clean soap. There looks like a little otter. There's some other little animals. That's what she got. And I think no, she got the moose over here. Those 2 are the ones that she got. And then here's a doggy detox. What is this? Oh, like a squeakulent. And then this one up here is a therapy candle. Oh, so that's supposed to be the flame. It looked like a little scrubber, like a dish scrubber for like a bottle scrubber. But that's a candle, I guess. So there's all of the different toys that would have been in this month, depending on what they sent and the size your dog is. So if you guys want to know a little bit more about BarkBox, she has to take it back out again. Okay, so if you want to know a little bit more about BarkBox, you get 2 toys. You can normally get 2 bags of treats and 1 long chew, but they changed my profile because she was not eating that 1 long chew, so now she gets 3 bags. So that's one thing with BarkBox. They have the best customer service and they'll change anything. If you have any questions, just get a hold of them. They will definitely take care of it. The monthly subscription is $29 if you do box to box. If you do 6 months, it's $25. If you do 12 months, it brings it down to $22 per box with free shipping. If your fur baby is not 100% happy with their BarkBox, we will work with you to make it right. And then the Super Chewer, if you have like a Super Chewer dog that needs more of tough toys, those are 100% always fluff free, super durable. You'll get two toys, 2 full-size bags of treats, and 2 meaty chews. That one's $39 if you do month to month, $34 if you do 6 months, and $29 if you go to a whole 12-month subscription. Again, free shipping. And that one, if any of their super chewing toys are destroyed, they will replace them 100% because they back those by being super durable. And yeah, so again, if you have any questions, you can always get a hold of them. They will work with you, make it right, replace it, do whatever needs to be done. But she's absolutely loving this box, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and put her down so she can actually play with them instead of just sitting here licking it in front of me on the table. So here you go. Okay, you guys, so that was her playing with her toys, living her best life. And yes, so now she's going to continue playing with them. And until next month, when she gets a new theme with new stuff, we'll see what happens, huh? You say we'll see you on the next one? Yeah? Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this. Comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and we greatly do appreciate it, as we greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew out.